Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to get new users on TEMU. So here's how you can possibly get infinite new users in TEMU. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up your TEMU account and you should be in the home page. So once you're here in the home page, you want to go ahead and click on New button on the bottom middle part. So you want to scroll down and go to settings and then simply sign up for the account and then change your country region into US. Then just switch to US. So once you're done, you go ahead and click on earn credits and free gifts. And you want to pick offer or the program that you want to use in order to get infinite new users. So in this case, let's just do cash reward. So alright, so once then you have opened up the program, you want to go ahead and click on invite to get tokens or invite to get whatever. You just need to copy the code for that specific program. So now once you have that code copied, this is really awesome method. So I want to show you, you have copied it over the notes. And I have here ready notes here that you can post. So you just need to copy the code here. And then just take a screenshot on these notes. So after you take a screenshot on it, you can just post it over your stories or over your posts or whatever it is that you have big volume on it. So maybe on Instagram. In terms of really great method, you can share those to a lot of followers that you're going to see. So you just need to make a story and then just post it. So let's say you get like 300 to 400 people viewing it, that's going to guarantee at least some conversions which you can just repeat over and over again. You'll have to make a new photo, just use the same photo post that everywhere on every social media account. So it doesn't really matter if you have any followers because the algorithm is going to come and pick you up and get you even more views naturally, which is awesome. So I'd suggest using other social media account. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!